Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jim Grisanzio from Oracle, and we're back here tonight to talk Oracle Developer Live, Java Innovations. The conference is coming up very quickly, September 14th and 16th, and I'm here with Joe Darcy, one of the speakers. Joe, welcome. Welcome to the program.
Hi, Jim. Happy to be here.
It's very nice to meet you here for the first time. You're going to be talking about floating point arithmetic, and actually that makes me a little nervous, but please let me know.
You're not alone there, Jim. Floating point makes many people a little nervous.
Okay. So why do Java developers need to know at least some of this?
Floating point is a built-in part of the platform. It's also a handy tool to have to do many types of computation anytime you want to deal with fractions. Floating point arithmetic is the system you'd look to use, and it's right built into the platform. Two aspects of floating point that often surprise people. Floating point is approximate arithmetic. It approximates real arithmetic in a few ways. One is that floating point arithmetic is an associative. What that means is if, say, you add up 10 numbers, the result you get depends on what order you add them up in. That's just a fundamental part of the approximation. Another aspect that can be surprising is that many values that look like exact decimal constants in your program, like 0.1 as a double, aren't exactly equal to 0.1 in the computation, because many decimal fractions are repeating fractions in binary. And that means you can't store them exactly as a binary value. And thus, those cause a lot of the surprises people see when working with floating point. So this talk will allow you to update your expectations to use floating point with less fear and more confidence.
Cool. That sounds like it's an important distinction to make, too. So, yeah. All right, cool. Oracle Developer Live, Java Innovation, September 14th and 16th. Joe, good luck at the event, and we'll see you there.
Thanks, Jim.